Right, so I'm doing 10 miles of the southwest coastal path today, and it's the start of it from Minehead. I'm going to Porlock Weir. It should be a good one. Oh, it's on a bit of a climb here. Quite an ascent from Minehead to sure on this path. Let's keep going. Rest in peace, David. God bless you, man. Right, so this southwest coastal path, believe it or not, it runs for 630 miles from Minehead town centre all the way to Poole Harbour, going through Somerset, Cornwall, Devon, Dorset at the end. Absolutely looks amazing. I don't know how people do the whole lot. As I say, I got a lot of respect for people that do that. I'm just doing the first 10 miles. It's stunning, really is. But I tell you what, you need a lot of energy to do that. 630 miles. Apparently it's around 6 to 7 weeks people do it in. So you obviously need some time, money, and a hell of a lot of energy and determination. Right, perfect place for lunch. Yeah. So in the far distance there you've got South Wales across the Bristol Channel, you've got Bridgend, Port Talbot and Swansea. I think it's about 4,000 feet of elevation gain, it's 10 mileries, so it's a tough one. But anyway, this southwest coastal path, believe it or not, it generates around £450 million a year from tourists and keeps about 10,000 people in jobs. Crazy stats they are, aren't they? Really are. That's where I come from over there. Oh mate. I don't think I'll be running tomorrow morning like I usually do. Just having 5 minutes, sit down. I feel more tired than when I've done the Yorkshire Three Peaks doing this, to be honest. So it's a tough trek, honestly. It really is. Been unbelievable views though. Absolutely amazing, man. Love it. Right, over 9 miles now. I'm certainly not getting the drone out there. Jesus, oh yeah. God bless those men. Yeah, so it's all marshland there behind Bossington Beach. I was thinking of wild camping there, but obviously I backed out of that. It used to be marshland. Fucking sink. So yeah, the southwest coastal path, I mean centuries ago, used to be a lookout basically to stop pirates and smugglers from reaching the, you know, the coastline. Strange, you know why people do that with the trainers. I don't know why they get off on it, fishing on the stone beach then. A nice place to think. I think it's too windy for the drone, can't risk it. Oh, I mean that wind's picked up. Yeah, so I'm on 10 miles now. Just coming into Porlock Weir. About another half a mile, maybe a mile to the end. So, doing well. (3,356 feet of elevation gain, nearly 11 mile. Tough that was. That's the end of the trail then guys, southwest coastal path, Minehead to Porlock Weir. Thanks for watching, I'll see you at the campsite. Cheers. Treating myself to a custard tart in an iron brew. Done nearly 20 miles of hiking the last 2 days. I deserve it. Nice custard tart. That's all about. Alright, that's me done. I'll see you next time. Cheers guys. There's only a few flies about. This is fuck off Jeff Goldblum, I'll tell you. Hey Apple.